I'm Staycie Sena. I am a criminal defense attorney here in Orange County. I do all criminal defense matters, both state and federal, misdemeanor and felony. I also do dependency, juvenile delinquency, restraining orders, whether they be domestic violence restraining orders, civil harassment orders, or elder abuse restraining orders. And I do some human rights and humanitarian relief. I went to law school at Stanford. I was an undergrad at the University of California at Riverside, where I got a degree in philosophy and graduated magna cum laude and Phi Beta Kappa. I went to Stanford. I graduated law school, passed the bar when I was 23 years old. I've been practicing now over 20 years. I practice primarily in Orange County, California. My office is located in Irvine, which is right down the street from the Harbor Justice Center in Newport Beach. But like most Orange County criminal defense lawyers, I make the rounds of all of the courts here. We have West Justice Center up in Westminster, North Justice Center in Fullerton, Central Justice Center in Santa Ana. The Juvenile Justice Center is over at Lamoureux in the city of Orange, which is also where the family court is and where domestic violence restraining orders are held. Probably 75% of my cases are here in Orange County, but I do reserve probably 10% of my time for cases in Riverside and San Diego, another 15% or so for cases in the LA area. I do every type of criminal case. I do both misdemeanors and felonies in both state and federal courts. There are 5 primary types of criminal cases that you see. The most common is DUI, driving under the influence or driving while intoxicated, DV, which is domestic violence or spousal abuse, theft cases, which is petty theft all the way up to embezzlement or white-collar cases, drug offenses, which includes sales, and sometimes, although it's a very complicated scheme now, cultivation, and crimes of violence, which typically are assault and battery, assault with a deadly weapon, homicide type cases. I also do sex crimes. In fact, I've developed a little bit of a niche dealing with sexual abuse cases with very small children who may have been coaxed by certain family members or therapists to try to make statements. I've dealt extensively with experts and went to trial on a case within the last year where we beat all of the life counts by showing to the jury that this child could not possibly have remembered what she claimed to have remembered. I also do rape cases, statutory rape. I also do some civil work, mostly juvenile delinquency, juvenile dependency, and domestic violence restraining orders, elder abuse restraining orders, and civil harassment restraining orders. I do offer a free consultation. Please call the office at 949-477-8088. My certified paralegal will take some information from you. He will relay it to me, and I will be in contact with you as soon as I can.